Guys, I'm back with another video. In this video I'll show you my gaming clock control setup. I recently changed to this setup because I used to play with default setup and it didn't suit me as I was taking a lot of time for shooting while picking. I thought this would be a kind of weakness in my gameplay. I'll say that the best control is one that suits you. If you are connecting the shots perfectly and if you can perform all the techniques perfectly, then you can use your control setup that you want. But if you are facing the same problem as mine, then switch your control setup to clock controls. When I switched to clock control, I used to play only quick matches for 1.5 week so that I can play more matches as it lasts for 8 minutes, but I lasted only for 1 minute. I kept on practicing. Now I can say that my controlling skills has improved over time, and I only die because lag or by implementing a wrong move or by underestimating the zone. So there are different types of claw control setup. Example 3 fingers, claw, 4 fingers, claw, etc. I'll show you my claw control setup, and it's a 4 finger claw. I can jump and shoot, I can move while shooting, I can quickly shoot while I'm peeking as I open scope, jump and crouch using my right index finger, and I can shoot and left peek using my left index finger. I can right peek, reload and prone using my right thumb, and I can move my character using my left thumb. So it's easy for you to jump and shoot. Okay. I also wanted to tell you one thing is that if you are a gyroscope player, then you don't need claw control because you can aim by moving your mobile, so it's a lot easier. Okay, so this is for those who don't use gyroscope. I don't mind even if the gyroscope player use claw control, it's their choice, but according to me, it's for those who don't use gyroscope because the person who is not using gyroscope is difficult to aim, right? So I'll show you my gameplay using this claw control setup. Okay.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah. Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land. Savannah, I'm coming home, Savannah. We'll never be alone, Savannah. The beauty of the world, Savannah. Let's all take a walk. Savannah, I'm coming home, Savannah. We'll never be alone, Savannah.